Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for today's look inspired by Bea Alonzo makeup look. I'm using Crayons BB Cream on the shades Fair Lady. I'm using my finger to spread all the product on my face. I'm using a dumb sponge to build up the coverage on my face. And I use Pond's Magic Powder to bake my under eye and oily part of my face. Contouring my face, I'm using Sunsun High Definition Face Sculptor. Using powder brush, I spread yung powder na binig ko and set the other part of my face. For the kilay naman, I'm using mascara to make my eyebrow bushy. Again, I'm using the high definition palette to add some colors sa eyes ko. And create the thin line using Curline eyeliner way to dry to avoid transfer. To brighten up my eyes, I'm using again the Curline mascara. And warm pink blush from Sunsun High Definition Face Sculpture Palette. Contouring my nose from the palette. And push na natin, gamitin na rin natin yung highlight from the palette. Don't forget the highlight on the nose. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love. And then for the lips, I'm using Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick from Vice Cosmetics. And I add lip and cheek tint from Pretty Secrets. And voila! This is the final look! Thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye!